Have you ever had to lock cells in Excel?
I don't think so. I don't use Excel that much.
That much. Okay. So in Excel is where we're going to start, and I'll just show you that real quick here. So the nice part about Excel is that obviously you can do some calculations and things. Sometimes you'll want to share that data, and sometimes if you share that data, someone might use it, and then what they might do is delete your data. And then you're like, well, that didn't me a lot of good. So this is just an easy way that you can lock these cells so someone can't get into it and basically utilize that information and possibly remove or delete something you didn't want them to. So you could select a certain range, you could select the whole sheet here, and we're just going to do the whole sheet. So we'll just do Control A, just so it would just be so they could view it, type of a thing. And then when you've selected everything, what we're going to do is right click in here. We're going to come down to Format Cells. We're going to come over here to the Protection tab, and we'll just make sure that it says locked. By default, it typically is already set to lock, but we want to confirm that it is. For that to work, it has to be set that way. And then the next piece is to come down here, and you can choose Protect Sheet. When you choose Protect Sheet, you're going to enter in a password. Obviously, it'd be something that you would create. You can choose how they can interact with that once it's been unlocked, but those are some different options that are there. It's going to ask you to type in the same password again. And then this data sheet is locked. So they can't go in here and just delete that, because it'll come up with this message letting you know that that is locked. And then to unprotect the sheet, again, if you right click, come over here to unprotect, you type in the password. As long as you enter the correct password, then you can go in here and make changes, and it'll let you do those things. So, but it makes it pretty easy, makes it pretty nice and useful for when you're going to share a document or something like that. So makes it pretty easy.
Okay.
Any questions on how to lock cells or a sheet in Excel?